What's up, YouTube family? It's your girl Queen. We just got back from picking up trash from our apartment complex, and it is extremely hot out here today. So, you know what I'm saying? It's Earth Day. Don't forget to save the earth. All this trash the kids dropped downstairs. We picked it up. It is so hot. I had to come get in the car. Cause it's just extremely hot, and it's like the kids keep getting more trash. Say hi. Tell them you picked up trash.
Guys.
Tell them to like, comment, and subscribe.
And give us a big thumbs up.
So yeah, give us a big thumbs up. You already know it's your king. It's your girl Queen. And we got pumpkin. And we got honey, where honey. And we got your girl Taisha back there. What Taisha? Taisha. She grumpy because she wanted to stay at host, but we had to go clean the earth for a little bit. Cause, you know what I'm saying? Why you did that, honey? Pick that trash up, honey. Pick it up and give it to me. Pick it all up. Yeah, we gotta pick up trash. It's Earth Day. Clean the earth.
Mommy,
come on.
1 cent.
That's right, pennies and 1 cent. Get that trash, honey.
Nickel is 5 cents.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Man, you already know, man. Get out there, man. Pick up some trash, man. Clean the universe, man. The universe gotta be clean. Somebody gotta do it. You know what I'm saying? I don't care how you do it. How you get out there and clean up and pick up trash. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Do it. Pick up the trash. Clean the earth today. Pick up the trash. Clean the earth. Pick up the trash and clean the earth. Clean the earth. Clean the earth. Hey, clean the earth. Clean the earth. Clean the earth. Clean the earth. It's Earth Day. Hey, give me that purse.
A nickel is 5 cents. A dime
So, yeah.
is 10 cents.
You already know. We had to get out here. We had to get out here because it's Earth Day to clean the earth. And y'all, and I'm not gonna lie, y'all. It's hot. You gotta pee, go upstairs. Go upstairs. It is extremely hot. Hot as chicken butts. So yeah, this is my bag of trash. You know what I'm saying? It's your girl Queen. It's hot. It's hot. I ain't gonna lie. But it is hot. It is hot as chicken butts. You know what I'm saying? Somebody gotta do it. You gotta get out there and get it up. This go in my purse. You know what I'm saying? It's Earth Day. Get out there and conserve and get you some trash for cleaning up the earth. Y'all already know it's your girl Queen, back with another 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 video. Oh, back with another back with another back with another video. Today is Earth Day. Man, you have to get out and clean up the earth. I mean, you see trash, you pick it up. I know. You don't even have to tell me how hot it is out here. I already know. You got to, man, listen. You got to get out and conserve the universe. So, yeah. We might go back to the park to Picnic Island and pick up some more trash. But for right now, we are done today. Because the sun is actually beaming. And guess what? It's hot. It's hot. It is hot. And guess what? It's hot out here. It's hot. I ain't gonna tell you nothing wrong, but it's hot. Man, don't forget to hit that like button, that comment, and subscribe. You already know. It's your girl Queen. Back with another video. And today was Earth Day, man. Get out there and pick up some trash and clean up. Alright. Gang.